Best Estate Planning Tools for Families app. The pros, the cons. The Best Estate Planning Tools for Families app is designed to simplify what many consider a complicated and overwhelming process. Most people get this wrong by delaying estate planning, thinking it's only for wealthy families, but here's the surprising truth. Even modest estates benefit immensely from planning, and this app makes it approachable for everyone. A major pro is family focus guidance. The app helps to create wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and guardianship arrangements. For example, parents can assign guardians for minor children, allocate inheritance fairly among siblings, and outline healthcare directives, all through guided prompts. You won't believe how much stress this can remove compared to traditional, lawyer-only methods. Another advantage is accessibility. Platform is digital, meaning you can review and update your estate plan anytime, whether adding a new asset or changing beneficiary information. It also keeps all documents organized in one secure location, reducing the risk of lost paperwork during critical moments. The cons include limitations for complex estates. Families with multiple properties, business interests, or assets in multiple states may still require professional legal advice to ensure compliance and minimize taxes. Additionally, some documents may need in-person notarization, which the app can't fully handle. In conclusion, the Best Estate Planning Tools for Families app is ideal for anyone looking to protect their loved ones, ensure assets are distributed according to their wishes, and simplify the estate planning process. While it may not replace lawyers for highly complex estates, it offers peace of mind, cost savings, and a structured approach for families of all sizes. Taking control of your estate doesn't have to be complicated, and this app proves it.